Okay guys, you're welcome to today's training, and today I will be walking you through on how to create a blog, okay, using blogspot.com. So on this blog you'll be able to create your own personal blog, or you want to create a blog for someone to earn your living. And also you can also use this your blog to be earning, okay. You can monetize this your blog through Google AdSense, okay. And now, so just stick to why I would put you through step by step on how you also can design the same professional blog other persons are using. So guys, if you have a Gmail account, you can just sign in, or you can just say create my blog. Then it will direct you to your Gmail account. I have a lot of Gmail accounts which, okay, I will be using. Let me just click one of them. Okay, to telling me to enter my password. Okay, why yours might not be showing you that? So now okay, so okay guys, so it will take you towards choose a name for the blog. So I'll just say KC web blog, KC web blog. I'll click on my next. Then you have to enter your URL. So you have to choose a domain name, which is a URL. That will be .blogspot.com. So let me try KC Web Center. Okay, it's available. KC Web Center is available. So I'll click on my next. Display name, KC Web blog. Then click on finish. So you allow it to process to take you to the dashboard. Okay, now guys, so this is the dashboard of domain. This is the dashboard. So if you take a look at your blog, just view blog, you can see this is what the custom of your blog. Now what this implies is just come, the next thing for you to do is to what you import or you install a theme. Come to this theme here. Now you can see that this theme is what the default theme. You can see this is the default theme. If you want to change it, you can just come to customize. You can change image. You can choose any image at which you want to place yours. Okay, let's see which one is preferable. Let me choose that. Okay. Now if you come to your site, just refresh. Okay. Then click on save. Okay, click on save. So that will save. So you just refresh. You can see that it has taken effect. Okay. Now after you are finished doing that, so the next thing for you to do is to what you want to start posting on your blog. You just come to your blog, come to your post, create a post. So you're now on your post, so you have to give it a title. This is the title. So I'll just use by ChatGPT. I've already searched on it. So I have a topic which is what advanced phone protection against cyber attack. So I'll come to there and what paste it. Then just put my content. Just copy the contents which I want to put. Copy the contents. I can easily put image. If you want to put an image, just come to this image, browse for your phone, for your laptop, it's a computer. So you browse, then you locate where your file is. Just click on that. So you can see the image. You can see the image. So you can just increase large, increase the image if you want to. Extra large, okay. So come down and paste those contents. Paste the content. They just what? Publish. Confirm. Come to your blog, then refresh your blog. You can see your content. Okay, you can see the content which you have. So you can as well be doing this on your blog. Now each blog you create again. Let's say, okay, let's create an extra blog, an extra content. This is a topic. Let me create a post. Then that is the title. Then the body of the title, they just about ox. They come. Let me put an image also. Let me choose an image. Browse. Let me find an image and put. Okay, let's extra large the image. Then you can just come down and paste the content. You can as well arrange these contents. Let's take this. Oh, this is our paragraph, okay. You can use align left center. This can be your left. Take these ones to your left, okay. Then you can just click. All these are the buttons. If you want to change font size, this is the what? This is the font size. This font type. This is what your paragraph or your headings. This bold, interlinks, underline. This strike. This what text color. So you can use all these for your functionality of your of your articles. Now just click on publish and confirm. Come to your blog and refresh, so you can see the next blog is here. So they will always be here. This was the first one and this is the second one. So that is how to create a blog. It's as easy as that. So the next thing which we'll be training you and we'll be teaching you is how to create menu on the blog. We'll be telling you how do you create this menu. You will see some websites having menu of these natures. Like, let's open a website. Let's see. Let's open this website, the one I used blog to create. That was back then 13 years ago. You can see this menu: home, about, contacts, download games, download music, download softwares. Okay, so this is 2013 I did this. Okay, it has been a long time. I abandoned it. So we'll be training you how you'll be able to design this menu, on how to design this menu. Okay guys, so thank you for staying tuned. Please, if you find this video interesting, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you guys.